Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to change the background in Themes in New Outlook, quick and easy. First, click on the setting icon in the top right corner. Then select General from the left side. And then click on Appearance. Under dark mode, you can choose light, dark, or use your system settings. Under modern themes, you can select a picture as your Outlook background or pick a color to personalize. And finally, under themes, choose from the available designs to give Outlook a fresh modern look. And that's it. Your new Outlook is now looks exactly how you want. Quick, easy and professional. Don't forget to like, comments and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.